Hi everybody. I just got my anniversary present from my husband. This is what I wanted and he got it for me. It's the Marchetti deck and it's called Marchetti. And it came with this card with his signature. And this cloth and bag. Let's get this open. And it came with the deck, of course. Isn't it just beautiful? Look, it's got the wolf and the dog for the moon card. So let's lay this out so you can see it. There's the cup, the sword with the dragonfly. What is that over there? Oh, it's the pentacle with a squirrel, owl, and a fox. And here is a wand with a lizard. And it's got crystals on it. How cool. The colors are, that's the thing about Marchetti. His artwork is beautiful and his colors are just so rich and all beautiful. I just love them. So let's face down a little more. Had the bag underneath the cards. Let's get these open and look at them. Very nice box. I love these kind of boxes. I'll use the bag for like stones and to put the cloth in. I never put if I get a box like this, I keep it in this box. These are so protective. They're so beautiful. Look, there's the full. He's on the box. And it comes with a nice ribbon to help you pull this out. So very nice. Now there's more plastic for me. Look at that gilding. Ooh, I love it. It's purple. Purple, pink. Look at the dog, it's gorgeous. I'm always dogs number one to me. Nothing better in the world than dogs. Oh, hold on. Do this because they're stuck. This helps unstick them. The Magician. Look at all the symbols on his hand. Even on his forehead. Oh no, that's hair. I see symbols everywhere. Look at this beautiful High Priestess. She's got an owl over here, an owl over here. She is full of secret knowledge. Pomegranate seeds falling out of her hand. Secret book of knowledge, the Torah here. Oh, look at this Empress. How incredibly beautiful. She is looking at the world, and there's fish in the universe swimming around. Oh, I love her hair. Because she's Mother Nature. She creates everything. You know, all these animals. She doesn't just make human babies. She makes it all. She creates ideas. Creativity is her. The ultimate mother figure, fertile. She makes the grass. She makes it all. The Emperor, and here we have the ultimate father figure. The Hierophant, he teaches. He's the Pope. And here are the keys he's holding. It's like the keys on his rosary. The Lovers. There's beautiful lovers with the little cherub holding a heart over them, shining light on them. Chariot. I love his art. Oh, look at the Strength card. I love the way she's holding the lion, you know. Gently, I love this lion. She's just like petting him, and they're so close. Oh. Hermit card. This is my card, the Virgo. I love the Hermit card. I think it's wonderful spending time by yourself. You know, I never did it till I was 30, 31. I was out always before then. So by the time I did it, I was like, oh, this is good. I never wanted to do anything else. The Wheel of Fortune. The lion's at top, the monkey's going down. He's like, oh, whoever was up here fell off. Here's the rabbit going up, trying to get up to where the lion is, because that's where everything is great. Good luck. Down here it's bad. This is the Wheel of Fortune. Anything can be tossed at you. Mostly we're in charge of our lives, but you know, things do happen. Justice. Balance and truth. And fairness or unfairness. Hanging man, look at this. His tree is being hanged too. Part of the roots. And look, he looks like a Soul de Soleil acrobat. He's got a new perspective on everything. Oh, death. Even the death card is beautiful. Even seeing half the skull or part of the skull. Transformation. Look, she's got not a lobster, not a crawfish, scorpion. Oh, and horoscope symbols, an angel. Temperance, balance, and moderation. Very important in life, and we're all always trying to get this. It's very important to health and happiness, into your spirit. The devil. There's not some secret devil out there who imprisons you. It's ourselves who do this. but we can get ourselves out. See, he's handing you the key. It is yours to undo. Tower, chaos and upheaval. Oh, a lot of them together here. Star. Oh. With the white, it's not a geese. Oh, not a pigeon. Oh, it's the spiritual bird. Why can't I remember? I'll remember later. Here's the moon with the wolf and the dog and the Virgin Mary with the baby. Not a crawfish or lobster, a crab. Dove. That's what the bird was, dove. I knew it would come. Sun, the ultimate bliss card. He is feeling the warmth of the sun. Everything is good. Victory. Judgment, rebirth. These hands are pulling you up, trying to help you. The world. You have completed this phase. Enjoy it before you move on to the next cycle. And, here's the Taurus, the fixed symbols. The Taurus, the Aries, or one's a Scorpion, I think that one, and Leo, of course, the lion. Coins, the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Coins. The universe is blessing you. Come on, let's go get this job. Work hard, we'll get it all. Success. Look, they're juggling the coins on these rocks in this tree. Trying to balance them. Three of Coins, all about collaboration. See the coins in one pair of hands. So I'm guessing the coins are collaborating with each other. Four of Coins. Now this one is perfect of how the Four of Coins should look. Here we got 3 coins that we have to spend, but we're going to save 1. Or it's 3 we're going to save and we'll spend 1. That's how we would all like it. 1 we have to spend and 3 we can save. Five of Coins. Isolation, poverty. Look, she's looking in. She's not knocking and asking for help. And she's probably got a companion out there with her because she's not alone. 6 of Coins, the sharing of resources. See, there is help just around the corner there. 7, we are planting the seeds and waiting for the harvest to happen. It's not an instant gratification, but it's a great card. Another pile. This is 8 of Coins. Mastery. Ooh, look at the 9. Oh, we always got the bird, but it just to see it up so close and it wearing these gold coins in its hair is just so beautiful. Look, everything in our Cheryl Marchetti's artwork is so gorgeous and luxurious feeling. Yes. Oh, 10 of Coins. Family legacy, family inheritance, or saving for your own retirement. Oh, look how sweet this little girl, the Page of Coins. She's getting money for doing her chores or whatever. She's got a little side job, lemonade stand. Now this guy, he's very still. The coins are very stable, but out of all the knights, he's a very still knight. He thinks everything through before he does it because he wants to know what's going to happen. and plan. The Queen. She can make the money and then come home and take care of everything. Very efficient woman. Here's the King of Coins. Look how beautiful. His world is painted in green. Everything is so lush. He is so capable of creating or running anything. Oh, look at this cup. It's on also our cloth here. It's full of the water. Right now we just see the backing of the dark clouds. It's overflowing with emotions. We got fish jumping out. Full of love. 2 of Cups for a new relationship or a new partnership. It could be business. Look at that gilding. Isn't that beautiful? 3 of Cups. Enjoying your friends. Enjoying spending time with your tribe. She looks like she's a mermaid, and her tribe is these fish, because she's part of the fish world. 4 of Cups. He's sitting there and he needs to get grounded before he can move on. Usually they have the guy looking like he's just so bored. I'm making a video. Here we got the 5 of Cups. We have some bereavement going on here. But look, it's only 2 cups broken. 3 are upright. So things are still good. Don't focus on the spilt milk. Oh, the sweet 6 of Cups, nostalgia. Look, we've got her Aladdin and Jasmine on their magic flying carpet. Gingerbread house books, toys, sweet memories with her cat. 7 of Cups, so many choices. Choose wisely. 8 of Cups. Things are not working out in that relationship, friendship, or business relationship. And you've tried, it just will not work, so you've got to move on. That's okay. Not every relationship works out in forever. We all would like that everybody get along, but it's not always that way. 9 of Cups, contentment. Look how content that puppy is. 10 of Cups, the happy family. Look, we got the parent dolphins and the little baby dolphins. The Page of Cups. This is the messenger. Usually we got a fish coming out of the cup, but we got jellyfish coming up around us. Oh, isn't that cool? Here is the Prince of Cups. Knight. I call him Prince Charming, your knight in shining armor. Oh, I gotta break these up. Yes, you want him to come to your emotional rescue, but no, you come to your own emotional rescue. Queen of Cups. Her heart is full. See, that cup is full. Her heart is full. Here is the King. He's actually a very sensitive guy. Not too sensitive, but he will listen to you, you know. Give you what judgment or what knowledge he possesses. Ace of Swords. A new way of seeing things. And it draws the dragonflies to you. I love dragonflies. You have a clear view of things or just totally new way of thinking. It's awesome. Indecision. You gotta take your cloth on and make a choice. Can't be put off forever or else the universe will pick for you and you don't want that. 3 of Swords. Some harsh words said. Your heart hurts. But this is the Minor Arcana. You will move on. 4 of Swords. You have to rest and recuperate. Five of Swords. Oh, conflict and tension. Look, the eagle, the bald eagle's talons are swords. How cool is that? Six of Swords. I love the Six of Swords. Leaving these troubled waters to go to smooth waters. Leaving abuse to go have a peaceful life. Seven of Swords. Deceit. Eight of Swords. Now look, this is the perfect view of the Eight of Swords. You are not trapped. You can walk through the swords. Nothing is binding you down. Those chains are on you loosely. You can pull your hands out. You just have to slow down, relax, and see things rationally. Because right now you're in there emotionally. Nine of Swords, nightmares. Look, he's holding his pillow. 10 of Swords, betrayal. That's it. Whoever this relationship's from, it is over forever. You gotta walk away from them. They have truly betrayed you. Page of Swords. Look, the pages are so young. Look how young he is. I would not want him playing with a sword. I know it's about the mind. Here's the Knight of Swords. He is the most action sword or knight in the tarot deck. But look at his horse's hair. It's purple. It's gorgeous. He even has purple feathers. How beautiful. Oh, look at the Queen of Swords. She is quick, clear-witted. She is quick-witted. She's clear-minded. She is amazing. Looks like a Virgo with the little loop next to. But we thought that Hermit is the Virgo card. The King of Swords. Very gorgeous. Ace of Wands. Where do we see that? Oh, on the tarot cloth. Here we go. So beautiful. Two of Wands, making a plan for your passion. Maybe planning a business. Here we are waiting for our ships to come in. And there is one coming right now. I love all the ships in his head. Four of Wands. This is celebration, family, home, marriage, engagement. And for this birds, it is their home. They are raising their little baby birds, which are eggs right now. Five of Wands, competition. Whoever is the best will win. Who's trained the hardest? Six of Wands, victory. Seven of Wands. This guy's got to defend what he has won from these people who are trying to take him down. Eight of Wands. Travel or quick decisions coming. Nine of Wands. You worked hard. You're pretty battered. 10 of Wands. You are working too hard. This will actually physically hurt your body. You need to put some of these wands down or ask for help. Delegate. Do not carry all that. It's bad for your back, your neck, your shoulders. Page of Wands. Very pretty. She's got all these braids and rubies in her hair. The Knight of Wands, a passionate, love-stick dude. Here's the Queen. She is a social butterfly. Look, she's got dragons to socialize with. And here's the King of Wands. Wow, he's got all these dragons lined up to his throne, bowing to him. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Tarot Marchetti deck and the cloth and the bag. Isn't that just gorgeous? So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you have a great Monday, everybody. Be safe. Take care of yourself. And if you liked this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care, everybody. Bye.